Is your Lincoln Navigator's alarm randomly going off? You're not alone. Many owners of 2010 to 2025 models face this issue. The most common culprits are the interior sensor and the hood switch. First, try a simple reset. Insert the key, turn to on without starting the engine, and hold the lock-unlock buttons on your key fob for 5 to 10 seconds until you hear a chirp. This often recalibrates the sensors. If that doesn't work, it's time to investigate further, focusing on these two components. To check the hood switch, locate it on the hood latch. Use a multimeter to test continuity. It should read 0 ohms when the hood is closed. If it's corroded or misaligned, clean or replace it. For the interior sensor, look for any obstructions or debris inside the cabin. For newer 2020 Plus Navigators, use the My Lincoln app or the vehicle's info screen to recalibrate the sensor. Settings, vehicle security. If problems persist, a professional OBD2 scan can reveal error codes. Remember, software updates released by Ford, check via the My Lincoln app or dealer, often address false alarm triggers, so ensure your system is up to date.